Okay, you know I have to get in on this. This Aquaphor Magical Under Eye. You've probably already seen this. This was discovered by none other than Scott Barnes, this magical celebrity makeup artist who I have not had the pleasure to meet. I've only seen it done on women 50 and under. I want to see if this is going to work on the 67-year-old eyes. Here is what I look like right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this under my eyes, and then I'm going to go do my makeup, and then I'm going to show it to you, and then I will come back later and see if it really is all that magical. This is something as simple as Aquaphor lip balm. All I have is on my sunscreen, and everything's set in. Do it for a couple of times. I don't like dragging it, but I want to do it. And then he went down here. I'm going to do this. This is fine lines. I'm putting it in my fine lines, okay? And there's no weighting, apparently. I can't remember all the places I just put it. I'm going to take my tried and true concealer, this Neutrogena. And this is called underpainting. I almost wanted to say underpants. So you put this on first before foundation. Ladies, this is a true test on my face because I am 67, not yet going to heaven. And wow. It makes sense that it will go on smooth because it's an occlusive under there, and people have probably done something similar with other products, but this just seems to be the big trend, so I wanted to try it. All right, ladies. Okay, I'm going to go put on my makeup, and I will be back and show you what it looks like then, and then we'll go forth. Okay, ladies, here I am, just completed my makeup. That's my under eyes. Still looking good. And then I just wanted to throw in, I'm sure you've noticed my eyes. This is my So Elemental Color Pop. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. Then I use the Sky High Maybelline in blue, and then NYX's eyeliner in Sapphire Bling. I'm just loving the playing with the colors. I'm wearing IT foundation. I'll list everything in the description below of what I'm wearing today. This is going to be a real test to me because we want to see if this Aquaphor is going to hold this on, because I have chronic dry eye, so I have to use eye drops. But anyway, I'll see you in 6 hours, and we'll see how this puppy wore. Okay, beautiful ladies of my heart, it is 5:26 p.m. I've had on the Aquaphor and the concealer since 11:30. Here is my eye up close, my left eye. My right eye. I haven't done anything. I haven't done any touch-up. I've had to put eye drops in, but I didn't rubber wipe. I just dabbed. And here's the pictures of my eyes from this morning, right after I put on the Aquaphor and the concealer. A little more hydrated looking then. I have been outside. It's been windy and, you know, blustery. Can't make up its mind. So I think we're onto something here, ladies. I want to continue to use this the next week and try it with concealers that I know set in the fine lines and wrinkles and see if this makes a difference. And then I will let you know what I find. If you try this, please let me know what you have found, if you like it, if it hasn't made a difference. I put it here too. I mean, put it in places lightly where you have a tendency to have your foundation sit in your fine line and wrinkles. And I'm going to continue to do that. If you're new to my channel and you like my vibe and energy, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the like button. And my returning ladies, I can't do this without you. Have a blessed day. Lala is out.